We're Bodie and Debbie.
We had a large hailstorm come through, and golf ball size. And
we had like a traffic of roofers come by, and one company put tarp on the roof at different places. Another company came in and said, oh, you don't need this tarp. There's nothing wrong with this roof in those spots.
Yeah, just didn't know who to trust. And her son's, he said one day, you know, I had a roofing company do my roof. I'm very happy with Accountable Restorations. We said, hey, let's talk to them. We had Devin come by, and we just handed him the insurance report. He looked at it and he said, I can take care of all of this. Not only roofing, but all the guttering, the garage doors, the painting.
I was worried about replacing the tile, but when Devin showed us all the shades and he recommended one, and we went with that one, and I like it even more.
I made it easy. Because, you know, it's always weighing on your mind. Your house is damaged. It doesn't look like it did before.
I'm recommending Accountable Restorations to everybody.
All family, friends, anybody that we know, and you.
Call Accountable Restorations for your free inspection. Call 214-293-1999. Accountable Restorations. Together, we will weather the storm.